Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Hello Children. In this video, we will study the poem Machine, poet Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling is an Indian born British novelist, short story writer, and poet. He was brought up in England but came back to India and worked as a journalist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907. We were taken from the ore bed and mine. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. We were cast and wrought and hammered to design. We were cut and filed and tooled and gauzed to fit. Some water, coal, and oil, all we ask, and thousandths of an inch to give us play. And now, if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 24 hours a day. Here, we refers to machines. In this poem, machines are imagined to have recited. They draw our attention to their giant strength as well as to their limitations. Minerals are mined from ore beds and melted in the furnaces. They were molded, shaped, and hammered into designs. Then they were filed, cut, and shaped, tooled, and gauzed to fit and made into machines. Machines require some water, coal, and oil to run. If we set them to their work, they serve man for 24 hours of a day. We can pull and haul and push and lift and drive. We can print and plow and weave and heat and light. We can run and jump and swim and fly and dive. We can see and hear and count and read and write. But remember, please, the law by which we live. We are not built to comprehend a lie. We can neither love nor pity nor forgive. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. Machines can do all kinds of work like pulling, pushing, lifting, driving, printing, plowing, weaving, heating, lighting. They can jump, run, swim, fly, and dive. They can also see, hear, count, read, and write. Machines run or work on guided principles. They cannot understand like humans. They cannot feel like humans. They cannot feel love, pity, and forgiveness. If we make a mistake or error, that may lead to the death of humans. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from our eyes, it will vanish and the stars will shine again. Because for all our power and weight and size, we are nothing more than children of your brain. Man's achievements and tasks are countable and unimaginable. But the Creator, God, controls man. In the same way, machines seem to be more powerful than man. They seem to overshadow man just like clouds that hide the sky. But later they vanish and the stars will appear. In the same way, overshadowing of machines is temporary because man controls them. For all their power, weight, and size become nothing before the man's intelligence. Machines say that they are the children of man's mind. Man can work on his own. He has the capacity to comprehend. He has feelings. He can love, show pity or mercy. But machines cannot work on their own. They work when they are operated. They work on guided principles. They cannot comprehend the situation. They can neither love, nor pity, nor forgive. Either machines or man can misunderstand themselves of their strength. It is temporary. Man is controlled by God, the Creator. Machines are controlled by man, its creator. See the summary in the description box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.